everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my weekly cleaning video or house cleanup, whatever you guys would want to call it. But this week I really want to focus on just regular cleaning. It's springtime, the baby's almost due, and I just want to focus on cleaning stuff. You guys are going to judge me, but I still have my Christmas cards up. Not all of them, but I have a couple of them up. And I'm going to show you guys what I do with my Christmas cards. So I'm going to get that ready. I just came down to the basement to grab a couple things. So that's what we're going to work on first. I'll show you guys that. And then we'll kind of clean out the whole kitchen is mostly the main priority. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. You know, today's Wednesday. I'm kid-free for at least 2 more hours. So I want to get some stuff done, show you guys the progress. And then I'll work on some other things as the week goes on. But right now, I want to work on spring cleaning. Okay, so right here is just kind of a mess of a wall. I'm starting to put my Easter stuff up, and then we got our Christmas cards. But what I end up doing is I always put my Christmas card on the wall anyways, because I'm a dork like that. But I actually save these, and I put them in a photo album. So I'm going to show you guys what we do. So I just put them in a photo album. Don't even have to reuse, I can just reuse the tape. And then what I've been doing since Ben was born is I actually started making a photo album of all the Christmas cards that he is in, so he can look back when he is older. He might think it's dumb, but he can look back and see his Christmas cards as he gets older. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then what we ended up doing is Graham's parents' dad gave me this idea. But I started doing photo Christmas cards about 2 years after Graham and I think, started dating. Hold on, I gotta put some weight on this sticker. But I'm out of breath. But what I ended up doing is started doing like picture Christmas cards. And I've been saving ours for every Christmas, just something to look back and see how much we've changed. So this is actually back in 2010 is when we did this. So I guess I've been doing this for 9 years. We've been together going on 13, so never mind. But this is our engagement photo. This was our wedding photo and our honeymoon photo. But this is kind of what I've been doing. And I think it's kind of cool just to look back at the Christmas cards as the years go on. So I'm going to put one for 2018. So that's what I'm going to do. But I thought I'd just kind of give you guys an idea if you guys, are young and you do stuff like that, go for it. Another thing I do with Ben also is I save, what is that? I saw another picture. No. What I also do is I save the Christmas cards from our parents. So this is my parents and this is Graham's parents. And I save the Christmas card that they give us. So again, something Ben can look at through the years and he can see his... He has mostly uncles. He does have an aunt, but Graham has brothers. Graham has a brother. I have 2 brothers. So just want to give you guys a little heads up on what we do. But that's one thing I'm working on today. So I know it's April 1st and I'm finally doing stuff with Christmas cards, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. And another thing I'm doing right now is going through all my inserts. These are my old inserts. The ones that I posted on Instagram the other day are from like a year ago, but these are all like my recent inserts. I go through them, make sure there's no valid coupons on it or coupons I'm not going to use. So now my coupons are all organized, ready to go. So I do this usually about once a month. I go through my coupons and throw them away. So these are going to get recycled and on to the next cleaning thing. Okay, so now it is time to clean. So what I'm going to do is just show you guys bits and pieces of me cleaning. I won't be talking, just going to show you here and there. I got laundry to do. I got to clean the stove, the stainless steel appliances. So I'm just going to show you guys little bits in here and then make it a little movie montage. So let's get cleaning. Okay, so I am in my bedroom because it's the only room that I have quietness. As you guys saw, husband actually got home from work early and helped me clean, and he actually helped me. So we got a lot of the cleaning stuff done in the kitchen, and I started editing this video before I filmed this because I wanted to see, you know, how much I had cleaned. And I did. I mean, you guys are probably going to watch like a minute of cleaning, and that took us, what, 2 or 3 hours? I don't know. I still wanted to do some other stuff, but I just didn't want to get overwhelmed or anything, so that's what I did. Right now I'm just hanging out in the closet with my cat. What you doing, Paris? What you doing? No? Nothing? Looking outside? Yeah, it's starting to get dark out. It's like almost 8 o'clock at night. Paris is loving the window open. Yes, she is. But otherwise, yeah, I ended up spending about an hour, 2 hours cleaning the kitchen. But I got stuff done. I mean, you could actually tell a difference of what it looked like before and after when we left and came back. And then I still wanted to clean the bathrooms, but I think I'm going to do that for next week's video. Just kind of do some more spring cleaning. Not try to do so much. There's still a lot of stuff done, but I'm just taking my time. Like I said, I got 6 weeks left to go. I hate when I'm trying to do a video and I can't stop petting my cat. But I got that. But I really... And then I also did laundry. I spent an hour and a half. Like, I had tons of loads of laundry, and I like doing laundry. I just hate following through, like folding it and hanging it. So what I did is I came upstairs, but Graham watched Ben, and I started getting all the clothes in a pile. So what I do is I put all my Graham and I's clothes in a pile and Ben's clothes in a pile, and then I had my daughter's clothes in a pile. And then we hang up mostly everything on hangers, so I ended up doing that. And then I have to fold socks still. Like, I have a whole basket full of socks. But I do need to go through my socks and throw stuff away. But otherwise, that took me an hour and a half to do. So I was pretty excited. I just got to keep up on laundry more often so I don't spend an hour and a half working on laundry. I know I hate that. But tomorrow's Saturday, so you guys will see this. But I have to work. Sorry. I have to work tomorrow. It's my first Saturday that I've had to work in 2 months. So I'll be working tomorrow, and then I don't know what we're going to do. I still want to work on her bedroom. But tomorrow's supposed to be 65. They said it's supposed to be super nice outside. So I'm going to have my husband help me spray paint her name outside because I got to do some touch-ups on her letters. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we got nice weather to spray paint, and I can show you guys her name next week. Now, do you guys prefer me to make a separate video, or do you guys want me to make a cleaning video with her name? So just give me a heads up. A lot of you guys think it's one name, and I'm like, nope, it's not even close. It is a family name. I'm going to give you guys a heads up on that. Hello, Benjamin. Say hi. Okay. But, yeah, so we're going to reveal her name soon. Other than that, not much going on. Tomorrow we're just going to kind of take it slow because I got 6 weeks left to go, and then I usually work every other weekend, which is not a big deal because I only work till 11 in the morning, but I just want to get some more things done. We have her changing table to build, so you guys are going to see that. I got a rock and play that my in-laws got me, so I'm going to build that. We got a baby swing that I still have to put together, so we're doing that. And I'm still washing all of her clothes. I found all of Ben's clothes that I saved to keep for her, so I have to put those all on a hanger, but I've been keeping up on that. Let me show you her room. Benjamin, my helper. So it's been messy in here. We've just been chilling in here. Like, we don't ever get to hang out in this room very often, but as I was cleaning, I found another box of Ben's clothes. So I have to go through this and get rid of those. Once I can't find my changing table cover, like my pad I have, but I can't find the cover anywhere. So I can't do that until I find that, and then I'll get this all situated. But Ben's just been playing in here. He's been playing with her toys. Still got to get the paint stuff out of here, but working on it. My mom still has to work on the curtains, which probably won't get done until she's born. But still working on her clothes. This was a blanket that Ben went home with, and I want a exact photo of what Graham did with Ben. But one thing I do want to say is Gina Schweppe sent me these two cute pajamas. I still want these in my size, but she sent me this Minnie Mouse one and this Minnie Mouse one, and I love it. She can wear this right away. This is, I think, 0 to 3 months. And this one is 6 to 9. Yeah, so thank you, Gina, for those pajamas. They are so cute. I know, I'm so jealous. So I've been organizing that. And then last weekend I went to a sale that they had where you bought 10 onesies, you get 15 free. And a lot of their onesies were like $1 or $1.50. So I got her a lot of clothes. I'm still trying to figure out like what outfit I'm going to have her come home in, but she's pretty much set on clothes. I always buy off season, but she is set. So what I got to do with these, as you guys saw from last week's video, is I have these all organized by size. Now you guys were asking where I got these. I got these on Amazon. I just called them clothing dividers or something like that. So got that going on. So I'm going to start organizing her clothes, but she is done for clothes, you know, unless somebody gives me an outfit here or there. But she is pretty much set for clothes, which is awesome because I bought all this stuff used or super on clearance. So that's what I like, but I'm ready to get her name up on the wall and get more things done because it's right around the corner. I'm hoping that I don't have her till May. So my due date's May 15th, but I'm really hoping until May, just because I want the whole summer off. So other than that, that is my weekly cleaning video, guys. If you guys have any ideas of what you want me to do for the near future, let me know, but I will be showing you guys videos of us putting baby furniture together, because why not? Other than that, I just want to say thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week for another weekly cleaning video. See you guys later. Bye-bye.